The 2019 release of WeldManagement includes a new feature that will allow you to mass assign standards to multiple welds based on a predefined schedule, saving you a tremendous amount of time and reducing human error. Previously, you'd have to determine and assign a standard to each weld individually based on a predefined weld schedule. Searching for and applying these changes to hundreds of welds was time-consuming and inefficient. Now, ShipConstructor gives you the ability to select as many welds as you need, and based on your predefined weld schedule, apply standards automatically to those welds with just a few clicks. It's that easy. But what if you already have standards assigned to welds? Users now have the ability to validate existing weld standards, which again can save time and effort. This amazing feature is now available in our latest version of ShipConstructor.